Hello everybody, I'm Anita and welcome back to AMP Arts House. Our today's lesson is for kids and beginners wherein we are going to learn how to draw and color vehicles. To start with, we need sketch color, pencil, eraser and ruler. So let's begin. I have started drawing with two-wheelers. Slowly I'll move to four-wheelers and heavy vehicles. Here I would request you to just observe the way I am drawing. The two important things which I am using here is circles and lines. So before we start any artwork, the warm-up exercise is most important thing. I have already given a link to you in the description box. Please have a look at that and try doing your warm-up exercise every day as a routine. If you are a beginner, this is must for you to bring in perfection. So mere using circles and line, I have created many vehicles here. If you are a grown up, you will understand my techniques and will copy it easily. But if you are a parent who would like to teach this to your kid, make note of certain points which will make it more easy for them. It looks little tricky, so make it more easy for them. Just divide each vehicle into two or three parts, wherein you can always go ahead with the bottom part, which is almost similar for all the vehicles. And also the wheel, the patterns of wheel are also similar for all the vehicle. Such way you can make it more easy and interesting for them. To make it more interesting, you can always talk to them about the vehicles, road vehicles, in that you have many types like two-wheelers, four-wheelers, heavy vehicles. Please talk to them on that so they'll be more interested in this. Also, you can divide this session for 2 or 3 days, wherein you can start with two-wheelers and four-wheelers, and then on the third day you can start with heavy vehicles. So it will be easy for them to understand. You can also talk to them about the parts of each vehicle. This will be more interesting again. When I was making this tutorial, my kids were following with me, and you won't believe it took around 3.5 hours for me altogether, with drawing and color and with a little bit of break. And they were all the time with me and they were so excited to do this. I'm sharing this experience with you as most of the parents come to me saying that their kids are not interested and they just feel bad to force them or to push them to do the art. So that's where such techniques work. When you do in front of them, they will try to follow you. May not be the day one, but slowly they will try to copy you. And this is the best way to keep up their interest. Encourage them more and more when they do it with you. Appreciate each and every step of their artwork. That will encourage them to do more and more on this. Always ensure that don't expect a perfection from a younger child. Never expect, because they are learning with you. You have a more experience than them. So your perfection and my perfection cannot be expected from a younger child. I am fast forwarding the session to save your time. If you are drawing with me or if you are teaching it to your kid, I would suggest you can slow it down. There is a button to slow down the speed on your right side in the setting box, and also you can mute my voice. That will help you to concentrate in teaching them. If you are new to my channel, please do visit our previous sessions. This session is day 8. We have done a lot of sessions till now for kids, where we have done structured art classes. We started with basic warm-up exercises. We've drawn with alphabets, with shapes, with numbers, and we have also drawn some birds. We did a lot of fun exercises as well. So please have a look at that, and also my live session for kids Valentine art. And also you have a package for adults for art therapy and some of my acrylic artworks. And I'm sure that your art needs will get satisfied in my channel. I am dropping the link of all the kids session in the description box. Please have a look at that. Then it is easy for you to start your art sessions in a structured way. And also if you are teaching it to your kids, it is going to be much more interesting. So you enjoy watching this session. I'll talk to you at the end of this session. Thank you. So we are at the end of our session. I hope you would have enjoyed this session a lot, and also you would have learned something new today out of this session. If so, please do mention in the comment box, and also if you have any other new requirement or any other suggestion you would like to give, please do mention in the comment box. I'll surely reply to you and also try to make a video based on your suggestion. Don't forget to subscribe with bell icon for more exciting tutorials and sessions. We are also making a lot of art videos for relaxing therapy. I'm signing off for now. We'll meet you soon with a new wonderful art session. Until then, bye.